Hey everyone! If you're having trouble with a van restriction error in Valorant, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy steps to fix it. Just follow each step carefully and you'll be back in the game in no time. First, from your Windows desktop, head down to the search box in your taskbar. Type Windows Security, and when it appears under Best Match, click to open it. Next, on the left-hand side of the Windows Security window, you'll see several icons. Click the one that says Device Security. It looks like a little computer. Now, at the top of the Device Security page, you'll see a section called Core Isolation. Click the blue link that says Core Isolation Details. Here's the important part. Look at the Memory Integrity toggle. If it's off, turn it on. If it's on, switch it off. Either change should fix the van restriction issue. Finally, restart your PC. After making the change, your computer needs to restart to apply it. Once your PC restarts, Valorant should work perfectly without the van restriction error. And that's it. After following these steps, you should be able to play Valorant with any problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials.